Alright, real quick before I get started, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button for me real quick and the notification bell because I will be dropping more videos later on this week. Stepping right into it. I know I'm supposed to have gloves on, so please don't come at me in the comments. I ran out and that was that. I had to get this done because I had to complete the wig. So in any event, that's how I usually do my bleach. For my middle parts, I just bleach the front and the middle. I don't feel like it's any reason to bleach the whole closure, especially depending on how dense the closure is. But I made the mistake of when I flipped it over, you're gonna see me do it right now. I pressed it down. Luckily, I know how to fix it, so I just took advantage of the situation and created a video showing y'all how I did it. It's super easy. All you need is some rinse, a toothbrush, a tail comb, and some patience. All right, so all you're gonna do is put your rinse in a bowl and get your toothbrush. You're gonna part the area and you're gonna lightly brush the rinse through with the toothbrush. This is gonna make sure that you don't get any of the rinse on the lace, and it just makes it easier to control the rinse. So you're just gonna do that. You're gonna repeat that step until you have covered all of the blonde hairs. After that, you're gonna cover it for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then you're gonna rinse it out and you're going to condition it as you normally would. That's it. Super simple, super easy. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. And thank you so much for watching. Mwah.